Hey everyone, this is Gabriel from AceVacuum Cleaners in Fairfax. On today's video, we are going to be talking about Ricoh's commercial line of vacuum, that is CleanMax ZM-500. To start with, it comes with a aluminum handle with an ergonomic grip. It has 2-speed variable, low speed for your hardwood floors and high speed for your area rugs and carpets. It has an outer cloth bag and an HEPA media bag inside it. It has a self-sealing collar. Once the bag is full, just release it and it automatically closes so that the dust doesn't spill out. So it's a very easy way to dispose of it without messing around. Easy way to close it, very smooth design. The head of the vacuum comes with a bumper guard that protects your head of the vacuum. It's got, I'm talking about the bottom of the vacuum, it comes with a polycarbonate base which will last you for many years. It has wooden brush roll with horsehair bristles. Again, that'll last you for many years without much wear and tear of it. And in case you need to change your belt or your wooden brush roll, all that you need to do is put a dime here and just open it. It's a very easy way to access this chamber. So it has 6 wheels, all rubberized, rubber coated wheels, so that it doesn't leave a scratch on your wooden floors. And talking about the cord, which is the talking point of this commercial vacuum. This is a 3-prong 35-foot commercial cord. As you can see, you can just remove it in case of wear and tear. All that you'll have to do is just dispose it, and you can just buy a new one from the nearby store and you can just install it by yourself, which will save you time and money, I would say. And here it's, as you can see, it's hooked to this part so that this doesn't wear off that easily. So it mostly takes the wear and tear in this part so that it doesn't damage this part of the cord. So the only thing that needs to be replaced is your 35-foot cord in case of wear and tear. It has 2 plastic hooks and it comes with an easy carry handle where you need to go up and down the stairs. It's very lightweight, just weighing under 9 pounds. And the release pedal is at just the tap of your foot for great maneuverability. It goes all the way down under your couch, sofas and bed for great vacuum cleaning. So that's pretty much about this lightweight yet very powerful vacuum. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For any comments, please do leave it in the comment section. And our location is 11110 Lee Highway for the Fairfax store, Virginia, and 300 Fort Evans, Leesburg store. And the contact number is 703-997-9292, extension 1 for the Fairfax store and extension 2 for the Leesburg store. Thank you and have a great day.